Set your minds on things above, not on earthly things. Sometimes when people look toward the future, they don't see how they will ever rise higher or fulfill their destiny. That's because they are looking at things in the earthly, natural realm. But if we'll set our minds higher, if we'll set our minds on things above, we will have a different perspective. We walk by faith and not by sight. In other words, we have to believe it before we're ever going to see it. If we walk only by what we see in the natural realm, we can easily allow circumstances and fear to keep us from moving forward. But when we set our minds higher, we are walking by faith, and we can see things God's way. Make the decision to set your mind on things above. Focus on the good things God has in store. Be determined to close the door on fear and doubt, and choose to listen to that inner prompting of the Holy Spirit. Walk and live by faith and set your mind on higher things. You get whatever you focus on in life, whether good or bad.